like transfer these all data in Monday CRM.
Correct. That's the idea. Yep.
Yes, yeah. Currently, I can see you have set up the automation in this board. Maybe in the backend you have set up the automation from one group to another group. When you change their status, then it move in next group and other board.
I'm not sure what kind of automations we have set up in here right now. I think minimal, but it may have group changing automation. I'm not sure.
Perfect. Okay, Darshan, we can go ahead and I can set up this process in Monday CRM. That will be easy to manage and track your system. Maybe you want these are old lead you want to set up in Monday CRM.
Yeah, these are this entire list, the O2T leads board. And then also, Gene, if you can click on the O2 Treehouse workspace drop down menu just above the sales label.
Sorry, let me click that. See.
Is I'm wondering.
I don't know why my.
Right there. Right, yeah. Go to a Tree Walker Hub. And then go to. Oh, you're not on that. Okay, so let me share screen here.
Okay.
So we also have this as part of our hospitality business. So it has this leads board basically as well. Also qualified with a different set of lead funnel labels. So we just want to like unify all of these prior contacts into basically one new robust CRM system.
Very,
Gives you an idea of how many contacts we got in here.
This is much data in this board.
It's a what? What's that?
Yeah, I am asking you. This is much data in this board, like multiple hundred of leads you have set up here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Same with this one. This one is pretty extensive as well. The leads archive. Oh yeah, that's not all expanded. Yeah, and this board right here, sales operations, is kind of an ad hoc board that was created recently after getting back from a trade show. My lead sales guy basically created this one as a band-aid from our current systems. It's Chloe's, yeah. Chloe.
Chloe then.
Yeah, so does that make sense?
Yes,
Yeah.
Darshan. Yeah, I understand your point. So we need to set up these all system in step by step. Like first you assign me one, two board. Like when we set up this, then you let me know we need to next one, so we can set up everything in Monday CRM with pipeline tracking system. Set up the automation work smoothly and integrate Slack, Gmail So with the dashboard we can build that, easily track every system and check out the like workflow and status report, etc. So if you are interested, so I have understand your point and I am happy to work with you, so we can go ahead on Upwork.
I see. Okay, and um, how do you typically work, or how much time do you think the project would take?
Mhm. Uh, I cannot confirm like how much time it will take because you have shown me multiple of boards, leads, hundred and thousand of lead. So it depend, and then we don't need about like time tracking because Upwork allow to use their time tracker. We just only track those time that within that we are working.
I see. This maybe 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks seem like appropriate.
3 to 5 weeks it will take.
3 to 5 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Yes.
Um, and how do you usually like to work? I know you're in Pakistan. Is there certain working hours that you have, or you have what, a 10-hour time difference, or?
Uh, but I am working in American EST time zone, not my country time, because mostly my 90 plus client from America. So due to this reason, I am working in EST time zone, and like when you are available, it means I am available, and I can like a quick reply your message, and like at the same page we are available. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That sounds good. Let me see. Trying to think if there's any other questions I have. Um, and so are you working with the team, or you work solo, or?
No, no, I am working a solo person.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Uh, and you would be available to start immediately, or what's your timeline?
Yes, I can start it from tomorrow because
Got it.
yeah, today I have finished my other client Monday CRM work. Oh, and I can start your work from tomorrow.
Got it. I see. Okay.
Yeah, you can like invite me in your Monday CRM system, send me requirement and blah blah, and I'm happy to start your project from tomorrow.
Got it. I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, well, great. Yeah, we're interviewing a bunch of candidates today from our posts. So we'll take this info. Gina, I missed anything? Any other questions?
I guess the only questions are, automations into other programs that we're using, like Slack and potentially QuickBooks, and yeah,
Yeah,
that
these
kind of thing.
yeah, this is integration. Like inside of Monday, we can build automation, and Slack and Gmail. These are integration, and we can build inside of Monday. And like we just need to integrate these tool and select their mapping system. Then it will be work properly tracking system.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. I appreciate your time. So you can go ahead and send me offer on Upwork. Then I will send you next briefly outline like what I need to start your project.
Got it. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's how we kick it off. All right. Well, thanks. Thanks so much for your flexibility today on scheduling. Sorry about that earlier mix up. That was my fault. But yeah, I appreciate your time, and we'll be in touch.
Mhm, no problem. I appreciate your time and clear communication, clear way, and I am happy to build your system that you are expecting.
Nice. Beautiful. All right. Thanks, Muhammad.
Thanks. And have a great day. Take care. Bye bye both.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. इसको कहते हैं, सॉरी 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 सॉरी